US indices traded within a narrow zone with modest bearishness, and again, because see, yes, the US markets are closed and they have to move along with the global markets. While today we have seen the NASDAQ and Dow starting on a bearish note and now have recovered strong. While the FTSE 100 and Germany 40, beautifully, FTSE 100 is now trading above 7300 levels here. Very, very critical, sorry, 8300 levels, very, very critical resistance is here. While the DAX is also stayed bullish. So, what to expect now? Big day today for indices. The NFP data gonna set the stage on fire. Definitely it will bring lot much of volatility into the indices. So which direction it's gonna take, way to enter, way to exit, how to profit trading. The NASDAQ, the Dow, the Germany 40 and the FTSE 100 today we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day and this is the only channel to give you the two updates. The next update will be released before the data releases, before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first the US indices, followed with the Germany and in the end UK. Tech 100 on the hourly charts, you can see previously the 20 period moving average was resistance here. We have seen it is struggling to break beyond 20 period moving average. What has happened now? Now it is trading above 20 period moving average, which is a very good sign, which suggests that it may move now towards the 50 period moving average, sitting at around 21,160 levels. Now the key resistances on the upside are at 21,160, 200, 240, 260. Now 240, 260, if it breaks, we are looking forward to a very, very strong rise here in Tech 100. Be mindful of this. Right now, see, again, I am saying previously the resistances are now going to be the support, and thus as long as on the downside 21,100 is respected, we have to be careful with the sells here. This is one part to it. And see, a V-shaped recovery is formed here and now trying to consolidate before taking a breakout move. Moving averages here are right now bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish here, RSI flat on the 2 hour, while on the hourly charts it is above 20 period. On the 2 hour charts it is yet to break beyond this, and thus 21,160 ideally should be a very, very good level for us to take a buying entry here. Moving averages right now here for in Tech 100 is right now trading with divergence and bearishness. Thus it is very important for NASDAQ to break beyond 21,300 360 zone, which will confirm a massive reversal here. Notice what has happened here. The rise here, then the retracement. Now see, it has formed a very good base and now possibly it can try to bounce back from here. So as long as now in fact 21,000 levels for the day, because see, the day could bring more swings here, and thus till 21,000 you have to be cautious with the sells. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, signs are supporting for the bull. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. See, only thing here is the crossover, only thing is here is the bearishness here. Now see what is happening, a big tailed greener candle here in the second one with the rise here. So possibly it can try to stay bullish here. Possibility exists that we may see 20. I will wait for, definitely I'll wait for the next candle here. And 160, 200, 240, 260 are the three levels it needs to break, and then we can stay bullish here. Yes, the stochastic rising, the MACD is on the verge of a cross, which is indeed a very, very good sign for the bulls. RSI rising, again a good sign for the bulls. On the 4 hour charts, remember after staying bearish, it has delivered a big long tailed candle and now trying to break on the upside here, possibly staying bullish from here. It is going to bring massive move here, but remember right now it is struggling to break here on the upside, though it has formed a base, though it has formed a strong bottom, and now whenever it gives a breakout, the breakout is definitely going to be strong. We can expect 21,300 400 zone here to stochastic rising, MACD bearish trying to converge, RSI flat. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, similar observation here. Just I'm wondering, look at the lower highs, the lower lows, and yes, the consolidation levels here. See, higher lows are formed today. It has started the day at 21,000 levels. Now if it breaks beyond 21,160, 21,200 zone, you can look forward to a greater rise. Then wait for 21,140, 240, 260, and then 21,300. Beyond this, we are looking forward to a massive rise towards 21,400 and higher levels. Notice what is happening, drop retracement, drop retracement. Right now, though it is delivering lower highs and lower lows, but it is right now returning from the median, which suggests that it can aspire for the highs that is at around 21,500 600 levels. Possibilities there. The moving averages started to converge, not a good sign for the bulls here on the daily charts. Yes, it is a long rally which it has seen, so a bit of crossover or a bit of bearishness definitely could be there. Stochastic looking down, the MACD bearish, the RSI comfortable. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy 21,160. Now you know the levels on the upside beyond 21,300, 21,360, 400 should be there, and then stay bullish for 21,500 on 600 levels very, very soon. On the downside, now selling entry is only at 21,000 levels. In fact, if you are selling at 21,000, 21,070, 21,040, 21,000 are the three support levels. Below this also till 2900, 920 we have greater supports. Below 2900, 920 it is not going to come back up again. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow. And before we proceed to Dow Jones, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a sweat-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, look at the US30 on the hourly charts, a sharper dip, a greater recovery. It has come down to the same zone, 42,570. Now, see, yesterday also I mentioned it is very important now for US30 to break now 42,600, 650 zone. This is the zone where it is going to find the maximum resistance once it breaches this, and now once it breaches 42,700, I think we are looking forward to a greater recovery. It is long now, it is consolidated in a particular zone. It is also delivering higher lows and lower highs. So once it breaks out beyond 42,700, we are looking forward to a greater up move here. Let's watch out if it delivers this move today. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD convergent, RSI rising, signs are supportive for the bulls here. If you look at 2-hour chart, the observation is same: one red candle and three greener candles, just nullifying the losses from this candle. Let it stay above 42,600 and 650 zone. That will be the confirmation of reversal, and above 42,700, 720 is where we are looking forward to a massive up move. Right now it is trading with bearishness here. No confirmation of reversal as of now. As long as 42,700 is not taken, be mindful of this. Stochastic rising, MACD almost flat, RSI rising, signs are supportive that it may try to show a breakout here. Let's see if on the 3-hour chart, similar observation coming down to the 20 period. Now the 20 period, 50 period definitely has been a greater resistance zone for US30. Thus it is very important for US30 to now trade beyond 42,650, 660 zones. This will confirm 42,700, 720, and then beyond this is where we are looking forward to an up move here. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD flat, the RSI trying to show an up move. On the 4-hour, similar observation. The struggle here is very clear between the 20 and 50, and thus as long as this zone is not taken, we have to be careful with the buys. Though what is happening, one red candle and see a couple of candles to offset it, and it appears that this might try to break out here. This might try to move towards 42,600, 650, but we have to wait for a clear message. Also, you can see downside support is very strong till 42,400, and thus as long as today 42,400 is not taken, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to cross over for the buys, RSI rising. Coming to on the daily chart, similar observation: lower lows, lower highs means very important for it to stay above the top of the channel towards 42,650, 660, and then 42,700, 720. Breaking beyond this, sky is the limit on the upside, while any drop below 42,400 and 42,300 should bring the bears out here. Stochastic has dropped now. My very point is that the MACD, which is sitting at the bottom, it is just starting to diverge after a great bearish move. It is showing signs of bullishness. Thus it appears that Dow Jones might begin the reversal process here. RSI is rising, which is again a good sign for the bull. So considering you can buy at 42,580, 600 levels, expect it to move towards 640, 660, and if that is taken, stay bullish for 42,700, 720, breaking beyond which 42,800 and 43,000 levels are also possible, though I think it is going to be difficult for it to break. But remember what is happening, it is forming a flag, it can give you a breakout. On the downside, a selling entry is only below 42,470 levels, or rather you can sell at 42,500 levels as well, where you can expect 42,470, 440, 400. Till 42,400, extremely strong support levels. Below 42,400, it is not going to come back up. It may look forward to a greater drop towards 42,300 and 42,200. Below 42,200, 42,000 is next, and then a greater crash, chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Germany. See, DAX after hitting the record highs, close to record highs levels at 20,500, we have seen it now reversing. And see, most importantly, this is the 5th time it is attempted to break below 2250 levels, failing to do so. It is trying to bounce back, and now on the upside, you can also see the resistance here very clear. So now if you see, it is staying above 2380, 360, 380 zone. That is a point of time you can buy again. Right now it is under consolidation. Very important for it to stay about 2350, 380 zone. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising here. It is crossed over, RSI flat. Signs are yet to show it. I will say Germany 40 is yet to show a sign of a breakout here. Though if you look at the 2 hour charts, what has happened? It has waited for the 20 period. What has happened? It has formed the support. Now taking the support from the 20 period, waiting for a breakout. So even if you see it now staying about 20 350 360 zone, I think you can buy here, expect 2380 400, and beyond 2400 is stay bullish. It is a breakout which is going to be their rise, consolidation, rise again. It can move beyond 20,005. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge RSI flat. Coming to 3 hour chart, similar observation, waited for the 20 period here and taking the support from the 20 period, trying to give a breakout beyond 2350 360, stay bullish for 2400, and then beyond 20,400 this time stay bullish for 20,480. 500 is the first and 20,600 is the next. See, though the MACD has crossed over, but yes, it has retraced here and it can again cross over for the buys. Let's wait for it. RSI flat on the 4. The observation remains more or less same after the rise, consolidation, and waiting for a breakout here. Let's hope it delivers a breakout. Stochastic rising, while the MACD after the crossover it is showing signs of bearishness. The RSI is at top, and on the now notice on the daily charts what's happening. Look at the preceding three candles, higher lows. Look at these two candles, lower highs. Just wait for a breakout beyond 2360, 380, and then 2400. If 2400 is taken, I think we are looking forward to a greater rise, 2440, 480, 500, and once 2500 is taken, stay bullish. Though I do see this as a double top formation, but yes, every top is here to be breached, to be broken. Stochastic overbought. MACD is crossed over, looking for the rise here after crossover, trading with divergence, staying bullish. RSI flat. So considering this, now I'll recommend you to buy 2360, expect 2380, 400 as the first target levels, 2444. 440, 450 second, 2480, 500 third. If these three are taken, stay bullish for 2550 and 600 levels. On the downside, a selling entry now is ideally below 2250 levels only. As long as it respects 2250, do not treat this as bearish. Though you can take a sell at 2300 levels, but then 23 270 250 should be a very good support. If that is taken, stay short for 2200, and below 20,200 stay short for 20,080 20,000 levels, chances of which appears to be less. Let's move to UK 100. See, FTSE 100 delivered a massive rally yesterday. It has breached the critical resistance at 8320 8330. What has happened since then? It has retraced, now trying to bounce back again. If you see the lower prices above 8320, you can buy and expect 8350 levels here. Possibility exists. See the rise, the retracement, and if it breaks out here, we can look forward to 8350. Now 8350 is one very critical resistance level here. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here. RSI is looking upwards. Good sign for the bulls here on the RSI. On the 2 hour charts, also similar observation after retracement. It is trying to bounce back. The possibility is there that once it breaks beyond 8320, we can look forward to 8335, 8350 levels at the next. Yes, it has moved towards 20 period, trying to bounce back. It is still staying in this bullish channel. The highs of this channel are now towards 836. Stochastic rising, the MACD, if you look at the MACD is trying to converge here, not yet crossed over. The RSI is flat. On the 3 hour charts also, see, it could be the reversal sign. I will wait for the next candle, and thus with the next candle, if it stays above 8320, chances will be high that we may see, or we may look forward to a greater move today, taking it till towards 834060 levels. Possibility is there. Yes, the stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green. The RSI is rising. Signs are supportive for the bulls. On the 4 hour charts, now see, rise, retracement. This is not yet a reversal sign. We have to wait for it to break beyond the critical resistance. Else what could happen? See, it is still trading with the divergence from the 20 period. Prices might reverse again. Now reverse means 8260, which I do not see that it might break, but this is a very, very good support now at 8260 levels. Stochastic at the top. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is overbought. Coming to daily charts. On the daily chart, see, it is going to be outside Bollinger Bands. It must exert pressure on the bands to expand, and this also suggests, see what is happening here. Just connect the dots, higher lows, higher highs here, and it is almost at the peak of it, and we know that 835060 is very good resistance here. Thus let's see how it behaves at 835060, and if this is taken, then you can expect 8400. Beyond 8400, remember FTSE 100 is ready for another round of rally. Moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. A stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 8320, expect 8335, 835060 levels at the next. Beyond 8360, stay bullish for 8400 very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 8280 levels, below which you can expect 8260. which is going to remain a extremely strong support for the day. Below 8260, 8240 should be there, and if it breaks 8240, I think a crash is in making, where you can expect 8200, chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update with the Asia and Europe with the US session before the NFP data releases. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.